Hey there. Managing a busy factory floor means keeping track of a lot of moving parts. Today we are looking at how projects in Xperdyte can help you group everything together for better organization and reporting. Why should you use projects? Projects allow you to link multiple bill of materials and works orders under one roof. This improves your system health by making sure your data is accurate and easy to find when you need to run a big picture report. Let's take a look at how to set one up. Head over to the main menu. Select Projects, then the sub-menu Maintain Projects. From here, simply click the Add button to start a new project entry. Give your project a unique code and a helpful description. These are the only mandatory fields and they are how you identify the project throughout the system. You will also see areas for references, start and end dates, project statuses, and even user-defined fields. These are all optional, so do not feel like you have to fill them in if you do not need that level of detail yet. Hit Save to lock it in. Once your project is saved, you can explore the other tabs. The Links tab is a handy way to connect your project to your accounting system, sales orders, or even technical documents. It keeps everything relevant to this project in one easy-to-access spot. Now that our project is ready, let's link a master recipe to it. Navigate to the Bill of Materials menu and open the item you want to associate with this project. Head over to the Aux tab, click the Action button next to the Project field, and select your project from the list. Once you save the BOM, that recipe is officially part of your project group. The most common way to use this feature is linking your works orders. Open the Works Orders menu and select an existing entry. Head over to the Aux tab, click the Action button next to the code in the Project section, and pick your project from the list. Don't forget to hit Save. Here is a handy shortcut for your production meetings. In the Works Order grid, find the Project column by right-clicking on the header. Select Column Chooser and drag the column onto the header. Now drag that header up into the dark grouping area at the top of the grid. All your production is neatly organized by project. You can expand or collapse each one to see exactly what is happening across the floor. That is the basics of using projects for better organization. By grouping your production data, you are keeping your system healthy and your reporting sharp. If you need a hand setting this up or want to dive deeper, reach out to the team at info@xperdyte.co.za. Happy manufacturing!